everyone! Are you ready for this? We're talking about the world's longest sneeze ever! It's a crazy story. Okay, so there's this woman named Donna Griffiths from England. She holds the record for the longest sneezing fit ever. Get this! She sneezed without stopping for 976 days. That's over 2.5 years. It all began on January 13th, 1981, and it didn't end until September 16th, 1983. Can you believe that? In the first year alone, she sneezed about 1 million times. That's like sneezing all day and all night for a whole year. Doctors think it might have been a mix of an allergy and another health issue. Can you even imagine sneezing for that long? Donna's super long sneezing fit is one of the strangest records anyone has ever set. It's definitely a sneeze she'll never forget.